Hello students, this is question number 17th of IOQM 2024 and 25. Now in this question they have given consider an isosceles triangle ABC with the side lengths BC as 30, C and AB as 20. Let D is the foot of perpendicular from A to BC and let M is the midpoint of AD. Let PQ be the chord of the circumcircle of a triangle ABC such that M lies on PQ is parallel to BC, then the length of PQ is. Now to solve this question, first of all, I am considering a triangle AB and C over here. This AB length they have mentioned is 20. This length is 20 and this length they have mentioned is 30. A circle circumscribing this triangle will be going in this way. Now OA is the point that we have mentioned and this point they mentioned it as D. A line passing to the midpoint of this line and we can call this point as M and this length as P and Q. So we need to find this line. So first of all, I can see from here that ADC triangle A, D and C. So I can write that AD square is going to be equal to AC square minus CD square. Now CD is half of BC. So this AC square length that is going to be equal to 20 square minus this is going to be 15 square and AD from here I can get that value is equal to 5 root 7. So once we got the value of AD, now as we know that AM is half of AD, so I can get the value of AM. So AM from here will come out to be equal to 5 by 2 root 7. Now these are the two things we got. Now in a triangle ABC, the two lengths has been given that A value I can call it as 30, B and C value they have mentioned equal to 30. Now we can find the value of semicircle over here. So that is going to be equal to 30 plus 20 plus 20 divided by 3. So that is going to be equal to 35. And from here also I can calculate the area. So area will come out to be equal to under root of 35 into 35 minus 30 that is 5 and 35 minus 20 that is 15 and 15 over here. So that will come out to be equal to 75 root 7. Now as we know the radius of a circumcircle is nothing but ABC by 4 delta. So ABC value is been given and all the values has been mentioned. So this is 4 by 7 root 7 we can get. Now we can see from here that the value OA, OP and OQ all the values are equal and that will come out to be equal to 40 by 7 root 7. Now OM, this OM length I can clearly find. So that is going to be equal to the radius minus this length AM. So radius has been known. So radius is coming out to be equal to 40 by 7 root 7 and other thing that is AM. So that came out to be equal to 5 root 7. So the total will come out to be equal to 45 by 2 root 7. So I got this length OM from here to here. I got this length AM. My work is to find total this length. So total this length PQ, if I'm going to see, is going to be equal to 2 times of QM. And QM we can calculate now. So since this length is known, this length is known, so we can write the value of this QM will be equal to OQ square minus OM square. So all the values has been already known. So that will come out to be equal to 5 root 25. And if it is 5 root 25, so the final answer has to be equal to 25 only. And that the same thing has been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.